Scott, we need to figure out what we're doing for Tech Tuesday.
You mean Tech Tuesday?
Yeah, we did last time. What do you want to do?
Dude, why are you sweating?
I was watching Animal Planet, man. This fucking lion scared the shit out of me. Roll the intro. We found a slingshot.
That's right. We've got slingshot.
The only thing that two respectable young men can do when they find a slingshot is to
shoot shit
in slow motion.
Up.
In slow motion. We got it. We could just shoot shit. That's great. But we're gonna shoot shit yes, this is what we used to call budget slow-mo. And you kind of move in. We cue the dramatic music on it. Great. You look like there's something going on, like right down in here.
Well, that's how we do it. I'm still worthy.
Say hello to my little friend.
He's a little friend. Where'd the top to that beer bottle go?
I don't know. Do you see it anywhere?
No, I think it's over here, I think. Oh. Dude, see if you can find a light bulb when you're in there. I think we're gonna steal a light bulb.
Dude, we should totally steal a light bulb.
Yeah, get one. I'm just asking, could you hit it when it's in my hand? All right, let's do it. You shot it on the rind side. Let me get it in center of, and it broke through the rind, through the soft tissue, and ended up right there.
Wow.
Oh. I suppose it's my turn to bite the bullet here and hold this goddamn light bulb in my hand. The things we do for science. And our first saboteur.
Sinister Spirit.
I'm gonna put my hand in front of that and he's gonna shoot this.
It's going to hit the bulb approximately here, and then we expect to see dust.
Yes, and shards of glass
sticking out
of my hand.
Of his paw.
Yeah, what's wrong with that? I've done a lot of things, Scott, as a 33-year-old man. I've streaked on public property. I've gotten hit with paintballs on my ass. I've gotten a pedicure before. I presented my box cutters to a nice tiny little Asian woman for her to abrade with a power tool. I'm never doing that again. I'm never doing that again.